gorgeous people of the interwebs, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-daisy day. I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. Today I've got something a little bit different for you. I've got a review of my Mulberry Gracie in gold. How is everyone doing? The sun is shining where I am. I hope it's shining where you are too, and I hope you are safe and well. If you enjoy my videos, please do give them a thumbs up. Each one is gratefully received. Hit the subscribe button, ring my bell, and join me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, I decided to go with something a little bit different today, and I am sharing with you my beautiful Mulberry Gracie in metallic gold. Look at that. Just look at her. Just look at the sparkle on that leather. Oh, she's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, I bought this bag at the Mulberry concession at House of Fraser in July 2011 in the sale, and I paid £322 for it. Can't remember what the full price was, but I know it was about 50% off. I thought this bag was really beautiful when I first saw it. I thought it was very different from anything else that I had in my collection because for a start it's quite a light, quite a neutral colour, and most of my bags are either black or really bright colours. And I liked that it was something a little bit different. I love a camera bag. I love a top-loading camera bag, that is in no doubt whatsoever. I love the moon metallic leather, I love the silver hardware, I love the adjustable shoulder crossbody strap, I love... Okay, it's got an airbag in there at the moment, so let's take that out. I love that the main pocket is just one big open space. It is so malleable and squishy. I love the fact that it's got a separate front pocket as well, which has some card slots in it. Never actually used, well, that's not true. I have occasionally used the card slots for cards, but generally speaking, I might pop a parking ticket in there or something, but generally speaking, I'll just use this pocket for stuff. And it has been my go-to summer and holiday bag ever since I bought it. She is gold, she goes with pretty much everything. She is glam enough for an evening out, and she is relaxed enough in her style for everyday use as well. Right, before I show you what fits in her and how I style her, I'm going to measure her. I have my trusty little measuring thing here. 18 centimetres wide, 18 centimetres is 7 inches, 15 centimetres tall, and 15 centimetres is 6 inches. And deep, the main compartment is 5.5 centimetres, just over 2 inches, and then you've got this extra bit on the front which I'm not going to bother measuring. Now, I love this bag at first glance. I love that it was in the sale and I bought it immediately. Now, normally I will go away and think about things and and then I'll go back and I'll find it's either gone or it's been discontinued or whatever. I just end up missing out because I think about it too much. So I bought this one straight away. No regrets. None whatsoever. When I started joining some Facebook groups for Mulberry and Louis Vuitton and Gucci and what have you, I shared a few pictures of a few of my favourite Mulberry bags, and when I shared a picture of this one, I was inundated with requests to sell it. I didn't realise how rare this colour was with the moon metallic leather. I've only ever seen plain black ones for sale. I've never seen anything like this before, and yeah, I was beating people off with a stick, and I thought, maybe I should sell her. But no, I cannot sell her. She is my go-to. She's my holiday bag. Even my husband has worn her. We were on holiday for my sister's wedding in Hong Kong, and we were doing a bit of sightseeing, and I was wearing a strappy top and I was wearing it crossbody. I didn't want to wear it on my shoulder, but I also didn't want the wonky kind of tan line from the shoulder strap, so husband wore it for me. Sadly, all photos from that trip have been lost. Somehow, some hard drive has gone kaput or whatever. They've just been lost. And I am gutted that we've lost those photos because, I mean, it was a lovely trip and my sister's wedding and everything, but more importantly, I had photographic evidence of my husband wearing a gold sparkly handbag Okay, so she is my go-to summer and holiday bag, so I'm going to show you a couple of ways I would stuff her home and away. You and I belong together, you and I forever and ever. No matter where you are, you're my shining star. Okay, she is pretty full, and this is an example of how I'd use her every day at home. I have got in the front pocket some mints that I like to get to quickly when I'm out and about shopping, and I've got some hand sanitizer, and that's it in the front pocket there. In the main pocket I have, you can see, although she's quite full, there's plenty of room on the top, and if I show you here just how much space is still in there. In here I have my clip-on sunnies because I really am that snazzy, a little perfume, my 4 key holder with car key, my round coin purse, my little Gucci card holder, my fern, and my mini pochette. That is everything. And if we're on holiday, this is how I'd pack it. This is a fan, because I get hot, so I do carry a fan with me. Again, because I get hot, I have a nice refreshing little aqua face spray, hand sanitizer, sunscreen, my mini pochette accessoire, which goes everywhere with me, and I mean everywhere, my fern, and my snazzy clip-on sunnies. Now, on holiday, I tend not to carry a separate coin purse and card holder, so I will use something like my Rosalie coin purse to carry everything I need. Oops. And the mints that I like to carry. Now, I know Mulberry isn't for everybody. It certainly hasn't been for me for the last sort of 5 years or so when they lost their way. But I wanted to share this beauty with you because I adore her. She is a forever bag. And let me know in the comment section down below what you think of her. Do you have a Mulberry Gracie? Have you been looking for a Mulberry Gracie in gold? Let me know what you think. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do give it the thumbs up. And you know the rest of the drill. Hit the subscribe button, ring my bell, and until I see you for the next one, take care of yourselves, look after each other, and love each other, and stay fan-dabby-dozy. Bye-bye!